while others are recessive. The allele that is expressed is dominant and allele that is not expressed is recessive. You can see in this condition, like tall parents, capital T and T, these are pure tall, and small t and t, which is recessive character, which is tall. And the gametes are formed, capital T, which is dominant character, small t, which is recessive character. So when hybridization takes, hybrids are formed, we can see after first generation, F1 generation, we get the hybrid capital T and small t. But out of capital T and small t, only the one character, that is a capital T dominant, will be expressed, and these all will be tall. You can see the results, capital T and small t all will be tall due to the dominant characters. So in heterozygous condition, the dominant allele gets expressed. F1 generation expresses dominant alleles. So this is the law of dominance. Then law of independent assortment. This one, it states that alleles of two or more genes get sorted into gametes independently of each other. And this law is applicable for a dihybrid cross when two characters are considered. And inheritance of the gene for seed color does not influence the inheritance of gene for the seed shape when two characters are taken, seed color and seed shape. This is example. You can see the example like this here. So round and yellow seeds and green and wrinkled seeds goes together, and the hybrid is formed, which is due to dominant character round and yellow. But in F2 generation, you can see the different assortments. You can see that the different characters assort independently. R, capital Y, small r, capital Y, capital R, small y, and small r and small y. So you can get the phenotypic ratio 9 yellow round, green round 3, and yellow wrinkled 3, and green wrinkled only 1. This one green wrinkled only 1. So you can see here how beautifully it is designed, and these are representing the different forms. So you are getting the ratio 9:3:1 here. So these are the law of inheritance. First is law of segregation, where the alleles for any trait separate during gamete formation. Second is law of dominance, where dominant character will express in F1 generation. And third is law of independent assortment, where alleles of two or more genes get sorted into gametes independent of each other, and you are getting the combination 9:3:1. So these are the laws of Mendel inheritance.